Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be moving forward to the next topic and to the next phylum as well, and that phylum is known as COELENTERATA, right? So why is COELENTERATA known as COELENTERATA? Why is it named so? So the reason beta COELENTERATA is called as a COELENTERATA, why is it called so, is the reason because it has a cavity. It has a cavity called as the coelentron. Okay, coelentron. Fine. Another name of COELENTERATA, as you must have studied from the beginning of our Animal Kingdom lecture series, I have told you that COELENTERATA can also be called as Cnidaria. Right? So what is the reason that COELENTERATA is also known as Cnidaria? Because beta COELENTERATA has cells called as the cnidocyte or the cnidoblast cells. Okay, cnidocyte or the cnidoblast cells. So beta, this diagram which you are able to see, this diagram is of the cnidocyte or the cnidoblast cells. Fine. Cnidocyte or cnidoblast cells play a very important role in COELENTERATA. Now you can see this is a tubular structure which is present in between. This is known as the funnel, and this pinpointed structure is known as the cnidocell. Okay, so this entire cell is cnidocyte or cnidoblast cells. Fine. Then this is the plasma membrane, this is the lasso, and this is the nucleus of the cell. Which cell? A cnidocyte or cnidoblast cells. So first of all, I would like to tell you that you don't have to study this diagram in much of detail. You just need to know that this is mainly the cell found in the COELENTERATA or Cnidaria. Fine, which is having a small pinpointed structure called as the cnidocell, as well as the nucleus which is present in every cell which helps in cell division, cell replication. Right? Now, next one we will be studying about the general characteristics. Okay, so the general characteristics, the first thing that the sequence will be the same beta, like we studied in Porifera. The sequence here will be exactly same of the general characteristics. Fine. So this diagram I hope you have understood. Now comes habit and habitat. So what happens in habit and habitat? You will say they are solitary, right, as well as colonial. That means they can live individually also, all alone, single, and they can live in colonies also. That means they can live in groups, right? The whole groups present in them can be present together, and they can be a single individual also. That is a general characteristic. Okay, that is the habit and the habitat. So that means it can be a single COELENTERATA or it can be a multiple colony of COELENTERATAs. Okay, then they can be sessile or free swimming. Sessile means they are attached to the base, to the substratum, like we have studied in Porifera. We say that all the poriferans, they are sessile, right? But in case of COELENTERATA beta, they can be sessile. That means they are static, they are attached to the base, or they can be free swimming. That means they can be found in the water, the swimming conditions, and also in the sessile conditions. Now all of them are aquatic. That means they are found only in water, right? Then they are mostly marine, right? Marine means they are found in the seas as well as in the oceans. Fine. Next is the level of organization. So level of organization beta, what will happen? Level of organization means the cell level or the tissue level, the organ level or the organ system level. So here we are saying that the level of organization is tissue level of organization. That means inside the body of COELENTERATAs beta, cells are present, and group of cells, when they are present together, they form a tissue. So tissues are also present which are performing the various tasks inside the body of COELENTERATAs. Fine. Then next is the germ layer beta. So germ layer means diploblastic. That means it is written diploblastic. That means two layers are only present. I told you when we were studying the germ layers beta. Diploblastic and triploblastic. Diploblastic means 2 germ layers. Triploblastic means 3 germ layers. Okay, so ectoderm and endoderm is present in case of diploblastic organisms. Mesoderm is absent. Okay, so if the germ layer is diploblastic, that means only two germ layers are present, ectoderm and endoderm. Mesoderm is completely absent. So if the mesoderm will be absent, beta, will the coelom will be able to form in the body of the coelenterata? I don't think so, right? I hope you think the same. Because in the previous series also, in the poriferans also, I told you that what will happen? Mesoderm, if absent, coelom will not be able to form. Okay, coelom will be absent if mesoderm is absent, because coelom is the reason. Coelom is present due to the reason of mesoderm. If mesoderm is absent, coelom will also be absent. Here, what are we understanding now? If germ layers are diploblastic, that means only ectoderm and endoderm are present and mesoderm is absent. So obviously, coelom will be acoelomate. That means no coelom present. Why? Because mesoderm layer is also absent. If mesoderm layer is also absent, that means no layer will be able to generate coelom, or formation of coelom will not be possible if mesoderm layer is absent. So mesoderm layer is absent, and due to that what will happen, beta? This will be known as acoelomate. Fine. Then comes body plan, beta. So body plan में क्या है? Blind sac body plan. And I have told you there are three types, beta. Right? We have studied the three types. Right? Now in this we are studying that the coelenterata is having body plan which is known as the blind sac body plan. Now beta, this diagram is the diagram of Hydra. Okay, this is the diagram of Hydra. Fine. Now in this beta, what are we seeing? That blind sac body plan means there is only a single opening inside that body. Okay, a single opening is only there through which the entry and exit of the substances and the water, everything is taking place. Okay, so this diagram we have to see now. This is the diagram of Hydra. These are the tentacles which I have drawn. Now inside the body of the Hydra, beta, right, this is the gastrovascular cavity. Okay, this is the gastrovascular cavity. There is a cavity which is present inside Hydra, and there is a small opening on top. Only single opening is present in case of Hydra, which is known as hypostome. And what is the function of hypostome, beta? Hypostome is responsible for the entry and exit of the food and the water particles. Only a single opening is present. That is the reason the body plan is blind sac body plan. Why? Because, beta, all the openings, many openings are present in porifera. But in coelenterata, single opening is present, and this opening is known as hypostome, through which the entry and exit of the substances is possible. Then comes symmetry, radial symmetry. Radial means you have already studied bit about radial symmetry. These things now I will not explain you in detail because we have given an entire video to each and every general characteristic. So please watch those videos. Fine. The segmentation and notochord both are absent because coelenterata obviously is a part of a non-chordate. Okay, so that is why notochord will be completely absent. Fine. Now in the next video we will be coming up with the new forms, the polyp form and the medusa form. How are they differentiated? What is their shape? What is their characteristic feature? Everything we will be studying in the next video. Fine. So beta, till then, please take care. Any doubt in this topic? This is a general characteristic. You can put down any issue, any problem. You can put down in the comment section below, and we will clear it up as soon as possible. Fine. So till then, beta, take care. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Share this video as much as possible with your peers, with your friends. Right? Stay tuned to the next video, and in the next video we'll be coming up with the new diagrams as well as the new topics of the polyp and the medusa forms. Fine? So beta, stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Okay? So see you. Bye.